Hi, today we're going to be taking down a Boston review. Uh, Hasbro's Transformers BOTBOTS. That's the Series 1. There's 24 to collect in Series 1, apparently. So yeah, Series 1. As you can see, they're made by Hasbro, and they are authentic, actual Transformers. Especially how I open them up out of these little blind box packages. Pull it open, which is step 1. Turn it over, and step 3 is just push out. So yeah. Now this, I feel, would actually be a pretty good show if they did decide to go with the anime with this. The anime would probably not Transformers the anime, or one, but probably more like Transformers Cyberverse, maybe Transformers, I can't remember it, but it's the one with Bumblebee and his team, where, there was Strong Arm and Sideswipe and all of them. Maybe a little Western Bots Academy-ish is what I kind of see this kind of falling under if they did make the anime. Which, I mean, it wouldn't be that bad. I mean, there was Transformers Combine Wars, which was kind of good. Transformers Titans Return was good. Transformers Power to Prime, that one was just completely horrible in every way. The Transformer toys were horrible. The writing, the time, the dialogue, the script, the animation of, that series was just horrible. In every single bit of the way that Mishima did. Mishima, the first two was awesome. The third one, complete garbage. The story didn't make sense. Not only that, Transformers that they made in the toy line did not match up or make sense with the anime because, with the toys, you got Prime Armor, which, guess what? In Power the Primes, the Mishima anime, they never talk about the Prime Armor. Yet the Prime Armor came with every single Transformer Power the Primes toy, pretty much. There was some Prime cores, which didn't really talk about the Enigma cores that much, which Prime Armor can apparently use. Which Prime Armor was just pretty much leftover parts from Combiner Wars. Okay? That's pretty much what they were. They just redesigned them slightly a little bit so you could say, no, they're not complete, little copies of leftover parts from Combiner Wars. They are, Power the Primes, the Prime Armor, but we all know what they are. Anyway, the transformation on them were horrible. The instructions were garbage. I mean, pure nonsense. When the anime came out, they didn't talk about the Vacuum Blaster being a toy, which should have been, because that's pretty much what the whole Power of the Prize line was about. The big giant Vacuum Blaster cannon gun. Yet, where's the toy? I guess you gotta 3D print it. Go to Thinkgiver or there was some other one that 3D printed. Thinkgiver, they just use the blueprints, you download them and print it out with your own printer. Shapeway, I know Shapeway would probably jump on that and make the actual 3D print Vacuum Blaster where they 3D print it and you just pay for it and then the shipping and handling. Yeah. But the toy, nope, not even at BotCon or now what they're calling TFCon. Don't know why they changed it from BotCon to TFCon, but yeah. No mention of that. The anime story was complete garbage because, episode 1 would be like 3 minutes long, but episode 2 would be 25 minutes long. But episode 4 would be like 7 minutes long. And you're like, wait a minute. Episode 1, 2, 4. What the F happened to episode 3? Oh no, episode 3 comes out after episode 4. Apparently, Mishima doesn't know how to count. And the timelines of when they were running, like I said, episode 1 would be like maybe 3 minutes. Episode 2 would be 25 minutes. Episode 4 would be 7 minutes. Episode 3 that came out after episode 4, which we know should have came out after episode 2 and before episode 4, that would be one like maybe 12 minutes, 12 and a half minutes. Completely screwed and messed up. I mean, that was the worst Transformers in both the anime and toy line. How can you F up in both? Usually it's either storyline gets F up or the anime gets F up. They F'd up on both. That's why Netflix said they're going to take over. And hopefully Netflix picks up where, Mishima left off. I hope that they go with the Combined War / Titan's Return style that Netflix goes with. Because those two were awesome. And I hope Netflix does not go with Powder Punch. Because Powder Punch was garbage in both anime and storyline. Garbage. And why do we not have an anime series of BOTBOTS? We only have like maybe one, now possibly 2 commercials of BOTBOTS. But no web series. Even when you go to the official, TransformersBotBots.com website, which, link down below in the description. No little mini web series. I mean, even freaking Treasure X had, like a YouTube mini series going on and stuff, but no. Seriously. Now, these would probably be about the size of a mini-con, probably for, like, Armada and stuff, but, how would they speak? I don't know. I hope they don't speak like Armada mini-cons, but they would speak like, R2-D2 with bots and beeps and boops and stuff. I hope that they can actually speak like an actual full-size Transformer, where you can actually understand and have an actual conversation with them. That would be kind of awesome. But, yeah. So anyway, let's see who do we get. Price point of these guys, I think for like $2.99 to like $7.99 sometimes. So just open it up. You don't have to when you're feeling there on there, but I do to loosen it up because there is a little tear in the perforation, or you know what I mean. And just give it a squeeze, and we got this little thing, and then our little thing, which we get our instruction sheet, which each instruction sheet is a bit different. So we have gotten, here's the instruction sheet. It's from, let's see if we can get, there we go, the Greasy Gang. And the Greasy Gang, we have got Twerp Burp, Level 1, Full Star. Whoa, Soda Cup, Crass Crown. So this is what Twerp Burp looks like. So they're saying to transform him, go from here to here, I guess. No, we go to the pedestal and we reveal his little face. Come on. There you go. You know what? He kind of has almost like Aqua Team 100 Force Master Shake kind of thing going on. Type of thing. And then after that, we just pop out his little hands here. Which, there's not much, and this side kind of wants to stick. But apparently there is his hands. And then we just go underneath here, and then we pry out his feet. Which, you really don't need to pry them out that much. I mean, really, he could stand without his feet. But he does, I guess, have feet. They're not much of feet. I mean, seriously, that's fully extended. His feet are all the way out. Because I keep on trying to pull them out, and that's as much as his feet comes out. Which, why didn't you give him feet if they're only going to come out that much? I think that his hands should come out a little bit more, and they should have been a little more articulated with detail. The only thing that's really detailed is his face. And this just goes like that. And yeah, that is Twerp Burp. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Hasbro's Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1 Blind Mystery Bots Up, The Greasy Gang, Twerk Burt. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.